Hello Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store, and today we're going to be opening up the Opinel Nomad Cooking Kit. So you get a couple of knives, one with a corkscrew in it, and a vegetable peeler, plus a chopping board and a tea towel, I believe. Let's open it up and have a look. So there's the packaging gone, chopping board. So then we've got the Opinel number 12 knife, serrated, stainless steel knife, number 10, with corkscrew, and a very cool little vegetable peeler. This is a little tea towel, but it does all wrap up into this as well. You've got slots for the 3 knives, and well, 2 knives and vegetable peeler. So I just want to see how this peeler works. It works great. Okay, so let's see how this goes through the pumpkin. Pretty well. So, very sharp knife. That's awesome. So of course, when camping, you can always take your normal kitchen stuff from home. Here we've got a couple of knives, veggie peeler, and chopping board. Throw in a tea towel. But I would much prefer to take this compact kit from Opinel, the Nomad kit, and just keep it in your camping box so it's all ready to go when you are. So if you want to come check these out, we've got them at our store locations across the country, plus at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching and happy camping.